Hi, and welcome to Appesco, your all-in-one app for small to medium businesses. This video tutorial will provide a short introduction to what you need to do after your first login. When you first log in, you will enter the dashboard of your company's workspace. The dashboard contains a calendar, an activity log, visual reports related to the modules you are using, and quick action buttons. On the right-hand side, you'll find settings for your profile, your workspace, and user access management. On the left-hand side, you'll see the menu displaying the modules available to you based on your role. You can have access to one or more of the following: finance, contracts lifecycle, planning, people management, setup, and help for tutorials and support. Start by personalizing your profile. First, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Add your personal information. Upload an image for a personal touch. To edit your workspace, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Edit, and you can update your workspace name, but not the URL. To manage roles and users, expand roles to understand each role's permissions. To add new users, click on Invite Users and add the email address and role. To edit existing users, click on the Edit icon next to each user. When you first configure your workspace, start by adding data in Setup. Since Appesco modules are integrated, adding data here makes it available across other modules. Let's start with adding companies. In Appesco, you can manage multiple entities or companies within the same workspace. Navigate to My Companies and click New. Fill in the information like title, website, email, phone, and billing address. Legal information with official name, tax ID, and tax rate. Click Create. Remember that you can edit this information later. Let's move on to adding customers. Navigate to Customers and click New. Fill in the details like name, email, phone number. Specify if it's an individual or a company, taxation details, and additional details such as tags, notes, and attachments. Similarly, to add suppliers, navigate to Suppliers and click New. Fill in the supplier details like name and legal name, tax ID, email and phone, billing address, and payment information. After completing the setup, configure settings based on the modules you are using. For example, if using people management, go to its settings and configure the necessary options. For detailed video tutorials on these modules, visit our YouTube channel or our help page at appesco.com/help. If you encounter any difficulties setting up your workspace, feel free to reach out to us at hi@appesco.com. Thank you for choosing Appesco.